Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to create an account on Spotify. I'll be showing you how to do this today on either a PC or laptop. And if you find this helpful, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So let's get stuck in. What we're going to do is open up our internet browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use whichever browser you prefer to use. And once that's loaded up, what we're going to do is just come across to spotify.com. And from here, if you look in the top right hand corner, you'll see there's actually a sign up link up here. Now it is completely free. You've got a free version and a premium version of Spotify. And basically, the premium version is a paid version where you pay monthly and you get some features like it takes all the ads off and you can listen to your music offline. So there's a couple of differences. Obviously, you can have a look and decide if you want to stick with the free version or if at some point in the near future you want to upgrade to premium. You can do that all through the Spotify website. So what we're going to do is just click this sign up button in the top right hand corner. And you can either sign up with a Facebook account, or what you can do is just go ahead and sign up with the form down here. So I'm going to show you how to do it using the form. So I'm going to just put my details in. And then you just need to tick the box here to say whether you would prefer or not prefer to receive marketing messages. If you don't want to receive marketing messages from Spotify, just go ahead and tick the box. And the same again, you can tick here if you want to share your registration data with Spotify's content providers for marketing purposes. Note that your data may be transferred to a country outside of their EEA as described in our privacy policy. If you want to read that privacy policy, by the way, you can come down here and you've got links to the terms and conditions and the privacy policy down there. But just go ahead and tick the options for which ones you want or do not want. Go ahead and click this to do the verification to make sure that you're not a robot. And then all you need to do is click the green sign up button down here. Okay, and that's basically it. That's how you set up a new account for Spotify. So this is actually the web version of Spotify. You can download an app as well, which is, if you look here, it says install app. So that's actually going to download an app onto your PC or laptop. Obviously, there's apps available as well for your phone, whether that's an Android or an iPhone. And what you do from here is obviously go through and select your songs. You can, play them. I've got a ton of tutorials on my channel for how to use Spotify. So if you did want to look into that further, go ahead and check out my channel. But I hope you did find that helpful. And if it did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there's a link in the video description down below, where if you give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.